I'd like to share with you how you can utilize your app back office. Now you've got a very simple process to log in. You simply go to the who'syourcaddy.com website. You'll see a login golf ball at the top of the screen. Just click that and you are going to be able to log in to the app back office. Once you are in there, you will see a listing of all of your courses, all of the detail about those courses, and you'll be able to give those courses information that they will need in order to upload their caddy tips, their written and video tips, and be able to run your own reports and do a lot of great things from that app back office. So let me demonstrate with a demo account here so that you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Now, as I said, you'll just go to who'syourcaddy.com. You'll click that login link at the top of the screen. And you will be taken to a login page for your Who's Your Caddy app. Your username will just be your first name, last initial, and your password is WYC12345 and your initials. Now I encourage you, one of the first things you should do upon logging in is get into your account settings and change your password to something that you can remember. Obviously security is key, and I'll encourage you that you want to change that password every quarter or so, just to make sure that you're going to maintain control of your own account and information there. So here we are at the login page, and as I said, I'll use a demo account just so that you can really see what you're able to do. Now, starting from right to left, obviously you've got a log out. You've got an account link where you can update your own information, again, change your password, things like that. You've also got a great section where you can run reports and see what's going on in your own sales area. You can upload videos into the Master Training Library, and this is where you can help your courses. Again, they can contribute to that Master Training Library. There are some really great categories there. It gets great exposure for your pros and for the clubs, really all over the country and even all over the world. And very easy to upload. You simply pick your category and upload the video. Also, caddy tips are going to be uploaded here as well. Now, many of you may volunteer to help your pros and help your course managers ensure that they get those caddy tips into the system. It's very easy to do. There's another training video on caddy tips, so I won't spend a lot of time with it here, but you do want to make sure that you know how to use this before you ever go out to a course. So very easy, you'll get in here, you'll find the correct course that you want to be helping, click on it, and you're going to have that ability to help hole by hole enter the written tips and the video tips for each hole on that course. This first tab is all about your courses. Now, when I go into mine, I have a choice. I can certainly show myself the list of all the courses, or I can search by a course name or a particular city or zip code, and I'm going to be able to see all of those there. If you want to see the entire list of your courses, I encourage you just show 50 entries. Most of your areas have 20, 25, 30 courses in them, so you'll be able to see them all on one screen. You'll be able to select the course you need. And so if I am going out to meet with Eagle Mountain Golf Course, I'm going to want to make sure ahead of time I've checked that course on my app. Remember, go hole by hole on the app itself. Make sure that the course detail is there, that the GPS and the course is mapped. If you have any issues, there is a page tip here and a friendly reminder that if you have any issues with that, you simply notify us. Here's the email, scott@redmatmedia.com. We'll get those updates made. But also, you'll check out the course, make sure you're going to know by then the name of the pro, maybe have an appointment set already to get out and see the pro or the GM. The course username and password are listed here on this screen, right down at the bottom of the list. You'll want to make sure that you have that detail with you. I encourage you to write that down on the back of your business card. A, that way they always know how to get back in touch with you, and B, they've got their course username and password. You're going to give that to them once they commit and want to participate with us at Who's Your Caddy. So definitely do that. The other thing you want to make sure they know how to do is, of course, log in, but then you'll also remember any of this information on this main screen they can edit. So if you see down at the bottom here, there's that edit function. And you can go right in here and be able to update the information about the course. Maybe they've changed to where they don't offer club rental, or they do and they didn't used to. Any of those yes or no questions, they're all great drop downs. You can certainly make those updates sitting side by side with your course manager or the pro. You'll also note that on the bottom of this screen is where they will be able to enter their course message. Now, all they have to do is pick what hole they want that message to appear. Maybe I want it to appear on hole 8. And I'm going to pop a message up that says, you know, come to the snack bar, you know, for 10% off, or whatever it is. They can change that message anytime they want. And that's critical for them to know because, you know, if they're having a big event next weekend, or they've got a tournament coming up that they want to make sure their golfers know about, or they're having specials in the pro shop, maybe they want to, you know, make sure that their golfers know about their catering events or their, you know, business facilities and a lot of different things that they could do for those businesses that a lot of these golfers have. So they can go in here, put any message in there they want, click their save, and it's going to immediately, in real time, start appearing on the app. So nice value there. You've got to make sure your courses know how to use that. The other information that you will be able to access, and as will your courses when they are logging into the app, is that hole-by-hole data. And so right there at the top of the screen, you click the Edit Hole Data. You know, if they've changed par, maybe they've rearranged some things on their course and have changed their scoring and their layouts, they can very easily come in, again, hole by hole, and make the updates right here in the app. The other nice thing that they will see is that visual layout of the app itself. And obviously I can select any hole on that course. I want to see hole 7. We've changed that from a par 4 to a 5. We've made it much more difficult. You know, it's a change to the handicap, you know, whatever it is. So these courses have some good advantage of getting in here and doing that. Okay.